Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Elisa from stylishcurves.com, and today I am back with a new video. In today's video, we are going to be trying out the new Urban Decay Backtalk palette. I'm going to be doing a review showing you some of the shades. I'm going to swatch some of the shades, and I'm also going to show you how I created this look with it. So if you're interested in checking out this video, then you guys already know what to do, and that is to keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's jump right in and get started. So Urban Decay sent me the PR package with the Backtalk face and eyeshadow palette in it. They also sent along some gel liners. I'm not going to swatch these because I don't think these are new. But basically the Backtalk palette is based off of their best-selling lipstick, which is called Backtalk. And it's just a pinky nude shade, which are not my favorites. I always feel like my lips look ashy and crackheadish, might I say. But this is basically what the lipstick looks like. So it's just a pinky nude, and so that's what the palette is based off of. So inside the box you get this little kit, which kind of reminds me of a pencil case from like back in the day. I do think the packaging is very nice. It's different. This also opens up. So it opens up like this, and then in the middle you have a mirror. Then on one side you have eyeshadows, and then on the other side you have the, face powders, which is the blush, and then you get highlighters as well. The good thing about it is that you can remove the mirror. I don't want to blind you guys, but you can remove the mirror, and then this is what it looks like. So the first one I'm going to swatch is this color, which is called Cheap Shot, and then I'm going to swatch them going along in order. So this is Cheap Shot. Oh, you can barely see that. Wait, I'm gonna do another one. Okay. So this is Cheap Shot. The second one is called Double Take. And then now I'm gonna swatch the highlighters. So one highlighter is kind of like a rose gold. So this highlighter is called Low Key. And then the last highlighter is called Party Foul. So again, this is Cheap Shot, the first blush. The second blush is Double Take. Then the highlighter, Low Key, which is a rose gold. And then the last highlighter is called Party Foul. So just at first glance, I could tell you the two blushes look very sheer. I'm kind of thinking that's how they're supposed to be. I don't know if they were meant to be pigmented, but the highlighters definitely showed up pretty well. I do feel like the highlighters look a little chalky. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. The highlighters are the last two, so they look a little chalky to me. I do like the rose gold one, which is this one right here. The rose gold one does look pretty, so I'm curious to see how that looks on my face. Alright, so let's swatch the eyeshadows and see what these look like. So I'm gonna start from my right to my left. I'm gonna use my fingers again because I feel like you get better color with your fingers. So the first shade, as you can see, this swatch is very faint. This looks super light and sheer. This is called 3 Sheets. So this is a matte light pink powder shade. They're all powders, but this just looks super powdery. But that's how that looks. The next one I'm gonna swatch is called Bear. Bear is a shimmer shade, and it's kind of like a blush pink shimmer shade. Alright, so the next shade is called Curve, and Curve is also a shimmer shade. Okay, and then the last shade here, this is called Backtalk. And I had to swatch that about 3 times just to get that color to show up. The next shade I'm gonna swatch is called Shade. As in shade, honey, shade. As you can see, that came out very powdery and it bunched up. Wait, let me spread it out. Okay, so Shade seems like a purple shimmer or metallic kind of color. This shade I'm swatching here is called Attitude. Okay, Attitude shows up. Attitude is probably so far the most pigmented out of all the shades I just swatched. It's also a shimmer shade. Now I'm gonna swatch WTF, as in what the fuck? So WTF is a sheer shade, but this looks like a brown. So this would probably be a really good transition color, but that's what WTF looks like. The last shade is called 180. It's a dark metallic shade. But as you can see, the rest of the shades are pretty sheer. Some of them I had to swatch a couple of times just so you could see the color on me. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. So let me just try to do a look real quick with them, and let's see what everything looks like on my face. I've already put on foundation, so I don't need to do that. The first thing I'm gonna do is just prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion in Minor Sin. So I'm just gonna pop that on my eyelids. Alright, so the first shade I'm gonna go in with is called WTF, and that's that brown shade. So I'm just gonna use that as my transition color, and I'm just gonna sweep it right above my crease. Oh, okay. Maybe I'm seeing it more because I put the eye primer on, but okay, that showed up better on my eye than it did my hand. Alright, so then for my lid, I'm gonna go in with this light colored shade right here. It's called 3 Sheets. So I'm gonna put that on my lid just because I felt like some of the colors were just a little too sheer, so I wanna make sure it shows up. There's definitely fallout in this, but you know, I feel like a lot of palettes have fallout. So I'm just gonna pat it on my lid. You know what I do notice is that you can tell how sheer that shade, the 3 Sheets that I just put on, because I almost feel like as I'm blending it out, it's kind of blending away. I'm going over it multiple times just to get a good color. So then right above my crease, I'm gonna put this shade 180. I'm just gonna tap it right above. Yeah, I have to layer this again. Okay, and then now I'm just gonna blend it out. Alright, so on my lid, I'm going to use the Attitude shade. I'm gonna tap that on my lid. Let's see what that looks like. Again, these are not as pigmented as I would like them to be. I also feel like it's going on a little patchy. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna take this purple shade called Shade, honey. Now I'm gonna take that and put that on my bottom lash. Bottom lid. And I'm gonna use a smudge brush. And I'm just gonna go all the way up into the corner and down. Alright, so now I'm just gonna line my top lid with the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is a black pencil in the shade 0. Okay, yeah, I need to get in here. Yeah, this is gliding on very smooth. Alright, that pencil went on pretty smooth. I likes that. So now I'm gonna line my bottom lash with this brown pencil. It's called Demolition. So this is another glide on pencil from them. These pencils are on point. Well, I'm gonna line my waterline, not my bottom lash. Now I'm gonna take this kind of light pink metallic shade, and this is called Curve, and I'm gonna just dot that right in the inner corner of my eye. So now I'm gonna go in with these Ardell Studio Effect lashes, and I'm gonna pop these on off camera. Alright guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do is put on some Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Neutral. This is actually one of my favorite concealers from them. I'm literally almost out. So I'm just gonna try to clean up a little bit over here too. You guys, this concealer is truly the bomb. I can tell you that. It blends so easily and it's super creamy, so it's definitely one of my faves. So I'm just gonna blend it out with a damp beauty blender. And after this, we're gonna try out the blush and the highlighters. You see how easy that concealer blends out? Listen, if you aren't on the Naked Skin concealer, I'm telling you, you guys need it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set where I highlighted, and I'm gonna use the Fit For Me powder from what is this, Maybelline, one of my favorite powders. I'm using the shade 35. All right, now I'm going in with the Fit Me powder in shade dark 30, I mean this is dark 40, and I'm just gonna set my entire face with it. All right, so now let's get to this blush. Let's see what this blush is talking about. So I'm gonna go in with Cheap Shot. It's a pinky rose colored blush. So let's see what that looks like. I'm gonna douse my brush in it. Maybe I may not want to do that. All right, let's see. Did I put too much? Let me, ooh, it's a little ashy. Oh, no. Whew, this is a little ashy. Oh no. Maybe I've doused too much. You guys can see that, right? Or am I see in the viewfinder this looks ashy. All right, let's try the highlight. Let's try the highlight. Okay. All right, come on highlight. Come on highlight. Come on highlight. So I'm gonna do the low key one. This is the low key highlight right here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna do a little bit. Can you see anything? Maybe I did too little. All right, wait. I'm gonna put some more. Okay, there it goes. All right, it's not bad. That's actually really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. All right, let's see if that helps out. Now I'm gonna go in with the lip color. All right, so I have two colors. So I have Backtalk, the lip gloss, which I've been loving. And then I also have Venom in the Urban Decay lipstick. So I'll try both. Let's try Backtalk since the palette was based off of Backtalk. I'm gonna try it in the gloss. Because sometimes I feel like gloss is a little better than a nude lipstick. I might need a pencil. I probably should have did a pencil first, right? All right, so this is Backtalk without a pencil. It's not bad, right? Okay, I'm gonna use a pencil with it. Let me see, what pencil? I feel like I should use like a purple pencil, right? All right, I'm gonna use, this pencil called Alkaline. So it's a dark purple. See that, it's a dark purple. So I'm gonna start over. Now I got a heavy bottom lip, so I gotta line a little up. All right, so now let's try Backtalk with this. Let me make sure I blend it because I don't want my lips looking like the 90s. Remember back in the day, people used to have like this super dark liner and then light lipstick in the middle. I hate when people don't blend it out. Okay. All right, I'm here for it with the liner. It didn't look bad without it. You guys let me know in the comment section below, what did you think? Should I line it, not line it? How did you like it? Either way. All right, now I'm gonna try it with the Venom. Venom is an actual purple. So let's see. Okay, so this is it with Venom. Venom is not bad. I kind of like that too. That's a cute little purple pink look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below which lip look you liked the best. Alright guys, so final thoughts. The palette retails for $46. I forgot to tell you that. I do get why it is, because you do get, you know, you get blush, you get highlighters, and you are getting, I think, 8 or 6 eyeshadows, 2, 4, 6, 8 eyeshadows. So you're getting 8 eyeshadows. So it does seem like you are getting a nice amount for that price. But I feel like I would rather get a different palette. I mean, the colors are pretty, especially for spring. That's one of the reasons why I was excited to try the palette, because it was a bunch of light pink rose colors. So I felt like, you know, it would be a great palette for spring. But as far as the pigmentation with the eyeshadows, it wasn't the best. I've definitely had better and have gotten better from Urban Decay. I would personally skip it, you know. I just feel like you can get better eyeshadows with much more pigmentation for less than the price of this particular palette. Nonetheless, if you are an Urban Decay fan and you want to add it to your collection, then hey, why not? But again, my final thoughts is it's okay. I hope that you enjoyed the review. Let me know in the comment section below, what did you think of the look I created, and have you tried the palette yet? What were your thoughts? This is limited edition, so again, if you are a fan of them, you might want to get it just to add to your collection. But that's it for me, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the blog, stylishcurves.com. And if you are not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.